ンポンパンポーン始まるよ
Open up that packet and let's see what's inside. Tasty plastic. Alrighty. Fill it up with water up to that green line and then chuck in 1 light of that tasty looking powder. Mix until it's nice and clumpy. And you're gonna do with all of these boys. Pourity pour, mixity mix. Looking nice and tasty. We'll need this in a packaging, so cut along that dotted line and then slice it open to reveal a plate or 6. Roll out that seaweed. Looking lovely. And by lovely, I mean it looks like Play-Doh. Pop it up to the side and let's get that row going. Water up to the green line, in goes the magic powder, mixity mix. And another quick mixity mixed and pour for the other one. Lovely. Now then, grab the most fabulous looking squeezy bits. And then using this little eye droplet, we're going to drop in a whole bunch of little row balls. Make sure you do that nice and slow to make sure that nobody gets stuck together. Grab your strange looking rice and separate it into 6 different pieces. Shaping it into small cylinder boys as you go. And then start to cut up your neta, also known as the best part of sushi. So grab your faux egg, tuna and roe and we can shove them all on top. This is an extremely delicate process, so do be gentle. And to make sure those ikura balls don't fall off too much, you can make what is called a military boat in Japanese. Again, gently pour on all of your ikura balls to make sure, impress your friends with this knowledge. It's called gunkan in Japanese. So we're going to pile on just as much as we can onto all of these apparently, because we don't know what we're making anymore. And then you are Dunsky Runsky.
すごいすごいいただきます
So unlike the video that we did before, this tastes nothing like sushi and everything like lemonade or like really odd candy. Not sure I can recommend this. Anyway, if you like what we do, leave a like, a subscribe, and maybe comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!